Pleasant Goat Fun Class! The Earth Carnival! The Super Rainforest! An adventure in the rainforest that looks interesting.
It's not just interesting. It's also lots of fun. There are exciting swings and a mysterious tree hole maze.
You're a liar! It's different from what you described!
Huh? How could this be? Huh? Hello? Wait, what? Miss Rainforest has returned? Pardon? Miss Rainforest is in charge of managing these facilities. I have to find her.
Miss Earth, please let us help you find Miss Rainforest. There's always strength in numbers. In order to get the tickets, we have to restore everything here. I'll go too!
These leaves are incredibly huge.
Of course they are, and there's a good reason. In the rainforest, most trees have broad leaves so that they can absorb more sunlight.
It's starting to rain.
Let's use this as an umbrella.
I came prepared too. It suddenly stopped. What kind of place is this? How can it be raining and be sunny the next?
That's what makes the rainforest such a unique place. It rains hard and very often in the rainforest, and since there's plenty of bright sunlight, it's perfect for plants too. Another characteristic of the rainforest is that tree leaves absorb carbon dioxide and release oxygen at the same time. And that's how the Earth regulates the levels of carbon and oxygen.
Where could Miss Rainforest be right now? I can see further standing high up. Why don't you let me try to find her? Wolffy, come down!
Wolffy, come down here.
What's the matter? You weren't loud enough. I couldn't hear you from up there. Come on, we almost strained her throat screaming.
The reason he couldn't hear us wasn't because we weren't loud enough. The forest blocks sound well with its lush layers of leaves. When the sound waves come, some are blocked and some are absorbed. That's why you only end up hearing a little bit of the sound that's still left carried. If a lot of plants are located in a busy city, the noise level is reduced dramatically too.
Oh, that does make sense. Well then, what were you trying to tell me just now? We already found Miss Rainforest, Wolffy.
I'm not going back.
Why won't you? The carnival really needs you.
Because there are always people sneaking into the forest to cut down the trees. If we don't plant more new trees to replace them, the rainforest will disappear.
Don't worry, miss. We can help plant new trees.
Yes! Thank you so much for planting the trees for me. Let's head back to the carnival now.
Yay!
Let this place be restored. Okay, the facilities have been restored.
Hey there, kids! Do you know what objects can be made from trees? Sit tight and let me show you. Trees can be turned into rolls of paper. Trees can be turned into chopsticks. Oh no, my home! Oh, Wolffy, even though trees can be used to make many different things, if we lose all of the trees, natural disasters like sandstorms and floods will find their way to us. Leslie, please help me! I want my home back! protect the rainforest. All of us can start little by little.
Tropical rainforest full of sunshine. Tropical rainforest always raining. Sometimes sunny and sometimes rainy. Weather in rainforest is unstable. Tropical rainforest has a lot of trees, lots of animals living happily. Tropical rainforest has a lot of variables. Climate depends on tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest full of sunshine. Tropical rainforest always raining. Sometimes sunny and sometimes rainy. Weather in rainforest is unstable. Tropical rainforest has a lot of trees, lots of animals living happily. Tropical rainforest has a lot of variables. Climate depends on tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest full of sunshine. Tropical rainforest always raining. Sometimes sunny and sometimes rainy. Weather in rainforest is unstable. Tropical rainforest has a lot of trees, lots of animals living happily. Tropical rainforest has a lot of variables. Climate depends on tropical rainforest.
Hey kids, did you like the song you just heard? We hope to see you again next time.